Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So in order to do this, what you have to do, firstly, you have to turn off your device. No, not restart, turn off. And after it turns off completely, so let's wait for it. After it's completely turned off, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and XGODY logo appears, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume down. And after that you will enter factory mode. So, like, as you can see, this mode is fully in Chinese, so if you're not a Chinese person or a Chinese culture appreciator or whatever, you won't understand what's written in here, but thanks to the modern technology we can just perform action like this and see what's in here. So as you can see, here we have a factory pattern. First option, automatic test, manual testing, individual testing, testing report, debug test items, clear eMMC version, information, and restart the phone. So these are our options. So by using volume down we can navigate, volume up doesn't work, and using power key we can select. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the last option and your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.